So let's say you've done it. You've stopped wasting money, you have fixed the leaks. But here's the problem most people don't expect. You can still feel broke even after doing all that. And this is where most people get stuck. Because saving money is one thing, but knowing what to do with it, that's something completely different. In this video, I'll show you what to do with your money after you stop wasting it, how to start building real financial stability, and the simple system that turns money into progress. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. Here we break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's get started. In the last two videos, we talked about the ways you are losing money without realizing it, and the habits that keep draining your finances. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Fixing the leaks doesn't build wealth, it just stops the damage. If you don't give your money direction, it will disappear again. Not because you're careless, but because you don't have a system, and this is where everything changes. Step 1. Give every naira or dollar a job. Right now, most people treat money like this. It comes in, and they figure it out as they go. That's the problem. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will always find somewhere to go. And chances are, you won't like where it goes. So, before you spend anything, decide what is for needs, what is for savings, what is for future growth, that is, investments. Even a simple structure works. This is where budgeting stops feeling restrictive and starts feeling powerful. Step 2. Pay yourself first. Most people do this. Spend first, save whatever is left. And most times, nothing is left. And this is exactly why saving feels impossible for them. Do this instead. Flip it. Save first, even if it's small. Then spend what remains. Because what you keep is what builds your future. Step 3. Build a basic system, not just motivation. Here's where people get stuck again. They rely on discipline, motivation. I'll try to do better in quotes. That doesn't last. You don't need more motivation. You need a system you can follow. Use something simple that shows your income, your expenses, your savings. This is where everything becomes clear. If you want something structured, this is exactly why tools like a budget tracker or planner helps. I've linked one below that's easy to use. Step 4. Start small, but start consistently. This is where people overthink. They feel like, if I can't save a lot, what's the point? That mindset keeps you stuck. Small consistent money beats big inconsistent money. Start small, but don't stop, because consistency builds momentum. Step 5. Give your money a purpose. This changes everything. Saving without a goal feels pointless. That's why people quit. Money without purpose disappears faster. Give your money direction. Emergency fund, future plans, financial freedom. Give it a name. When your money has a purpose, you treat it differently. Let me ask you this. Have you actually been saving consistently or just hoping to? Be honest, because this is where everything starts to change. At this point, you've done what most people never do. You've stopped wasting money, understood your habits, started giving your money direction, and that's how wealth actually begins. Not from luck, not from big income, but from small consistent decisions. At this point, the biggest mistake you can make is this: trying to do all of this in your head. Because once things are not clear, you fall back into old habits. That's why having something simple to track your money actually matters. Something that helps you see where your money is going, stay consistent, and make better decisions without overthinking. If you want something easy to start with, I've linked a beginner-friendly budget tracker in the description. Start there, because once your money becomes clear, everything else becomes easier. And now you understand something powerful. Money is not just about earning, it's about keeping it, controlling it, growing it, and once you master that, everything changes.